So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $455 with Clickbank affiliate marketing guide. So in this video, it's going to be straightforward. I'm going to show how I made $455, and it's no bullshit, it's straightforward. So guys, let's get to the video. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar. I create a lot of videos on affiliate marketing and how to make money online, and trust me, it's straightforward, no bullshit. Now as you're gonna see, and if you watch the video till the end, I'm gonna give you a lot of bonus ideas. This will give you an aha moment where you will be like, affiliate marketing is very easy. So guys, let's get started. So first thing is, if you could see on the screen right now, this is my Clickbank ID. This is Clickbank. So again, people who don't know what is Clickbank, it's a affiliate marketplace where you can choose the product and you can promote it, and you can get, if you make a sale, you can get an average amount of $123. So the product I was promoting is Revision. So basically, what is Revision? Again, if you could see, just sort by gravity and you can find Revision. So again, Revision is something about health, brain and vision supplement. So I was promoting this product. Okay, so step one would be, just go on Clickbank and find a product with good gravity. So my gravity is 98. So what does gravity mean? Gravity means how many people are promoting this product. So make sure don't promote product which has more gravity, let's say 500 gravity, which means it has a lot of competitions. For me, I'm choosing this one because I know, okay, 98 people are promoting it, which means it's selling, but there's not a lot of competition. Okay, that's the first thing. Okay, so first step is just finding a product, okay, which is selling. So Revision, for me it was Revision. It's a product for health, brain and vision. Okay, so that's the first thing. Okay, once I know it's a winning product, it's selling, the second thing is creating a landing page. Okay, so for me, creating a landing page, so this was my landing page. Okay, so the first step is finding your winning product. Okay, once you find your winning product, the second thing is you need to create a landing page. Okay, so this is my landing page. Okay, I've made it on WordPress, so I've not used ClickFunnels. Okay, so again, people think ClickFunnels is expensive and people can't afford it. So in the beginning, you can use WordPress. For now, I still use WordPress. I'm using Thrive Architect, but then this is my landing page. Okay, very simple, very easy, and I think so it's a one-page website and anyone can do it. Okay, so that's the first thing. This is my landing page. Okay, where did I get eye floaters? So basically, again, eye floaters is something blurry eyes. Okay, blurry eyes, these are some keywords. Okay, now you would be asking, how would I find keywords? Okay, doing competition analysis. Okay, so I've made videos in the past. I would leave a link down below on how you could spy on your competition. So that's how I got this keyword. So there's one more keyword called blurry eyes, and then this is eye floaters. Okay, so this is my landing page. So that's the second step. Okay, once that's done, now you just need to create an ad. Okay, so again, so this is on Bing ads. Okay, so I have created ads on Bing ads where I'm saying suffering from eye floaters, one simple trick to cure. This is it. And then again, paying average CPC of 0.83. Okay, so once I just create an ad. Okay, so next step is tracking. Okay, so once you create an ad, I use Click Magic as my tracking. Okay, the reason you use tracking is because you know which keywords are converting. Okay, so let's say, for example, as you could see, pills for your eyesight to restore vision got me $175. Another one was home remedies for eye floaters, which got me $174. Vitamins for eye floaters, which got me $105. So total adds up to $455. Okay, and again, just one click, which is about 0.80 cents, gave me the revenue of $175. Okay, now this is where tracking comes in, and I exactly know which ads got me. So if I just go over here, okay, so it's called 0738. If I go and I go 738, so, or let's say, for example, 80580, so this one got me a lot of sales. Okay, suffering from eye floaters, one simple trick to cure, watch now. Okay, so this is how I do my affiliates, I promote my Clickbank products. Okay, so that's how I do it. Again, go back over here. I've done it with revision, guys. You all can do it with anything. You can go on marketplace. Okay, just go over here, sort by gravity, click over here, sort by gravity. Okay, again, same thing which you could do with Denti Talks. You can create an ad, you can do the same thing where, you know, are you suffering from tooth decay? One simple create just success, other people model other people's success. Okay, now this gives you an aha moment where, you know, it's easy, even I could do it. Okay, that's there. Now again, if I go back over here, if I just type revision again, okay, so I made over around $2,600. Now you would be like, Yavar, you just showed me $455. There are a lot of ways. I use Bing ads, I use Google ads, but you know, Google is a bit strict. So what I did was I did something very smart. I did revision reviews. Okay, so I was writing about review about this supplement. So again, something, this is the same Dr. Ricardo, some shit. Just write a genuine review. How did I write a review? Checked my competition, you know, made 10% better, and started promoting the same thing on Google ads. Again, the same process, guys. Nothing is complicated, everything is easy. Again, I made this on WordPress. Very simple. Run the ads and then you will come to know which keywords are converting. So for me, these were converting. So it's very simple. And if you would like to learn step by step in guide, I've created a video on how you can promote Clickbank products step by step, beginner's guide. The link is down below. Go and check it out. And if you would like to learn more about it, I've created a case study. Again, it's a paid course which will cost you $25, but again, I show you step by step. I show you each and everything, how the tracking works, how to run ads, how to research on products, how to promote them. And in that video, I showed you how to get $100 with 5 clicks. Okay, so it's a case study. Again, it's straightforward. If you have any more questions, just comment down. And I think so that's it for today's video. If you find it really helpful, please consider subscribing. And Yavar Khan signing off.